How to fix the Frontier Airlines app not working, keep crashing, and stuck on loading screen. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll guide you on how to fix the issues with the Frontier Airlines app not working. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable. And if it's not working, you can switch to the mobile data and then switch back again to Wi-Fi. Now open your system settings and scroll down and then go to apps. From here, simply search for Frontier. And once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But remember that this includes all the files, settings, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding this. Clearing the app cache can often resolve performance issues. Now, if you go back, click on Force Stop this application and re-enable it again. Now open the Play Store, search for Frontier. Once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button instead of open button right over here, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Another method you can try is press and hold the application and then click on uninstall. Click on OK to uninstall this application completely from your device. Go to Play Store, search for Frontier Airlines, and then reinstall it again from here. Last but not least, simply try restarting your entire device and relaunch the application. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can fix the problem with the Frontier application not working. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.